mentioned earlier, we'd be seeing a lot more cloud cover roll into the area this evening. That is the case. That's what the darker blue is. The lighter blue is where we have the clear sky. So I made it easier to where you can see the cloud cover. Now, there are some breaks, but really more clouds than anything else. This is ahead of a cold front that will push through a little later tonight and try to wring out a few random flurries as we start early Friday. It has slowed the cooling process. When you have the clear sky, you get colder quicker. When you have some cloud cover, it's kind of like an insulating blanket for the earth, right? When you don't have a blanket over your feet at night, they get cold. When you have a blanket over your feet, it stays warm. Same with the Earth's surface. So that's why we're at 32 right now, 27 in Maynardville and 30 in LaFollette. I still think we're going to be dropping off into the teens and 20s for most areas, though, by first thing on our Friday morning. So not the single digits and teens like we've had earlier in the week. Let's take a look. That's where we are right now. Clouds continue to thicken up across the area. We wring out a few random flurries, very light snow showers in the mountains. This is 7 a.m. and then basically it's gone before we get to midday, and the clouds will start to thin out as we head into the afternoon. Temperatures, though, should be cooler than what we saw today. We were 41. Tomorrow, only about 36. 37 for Maryville and Loudon, 39 in Tellico Plains, and 34 in the Dandridge area. With a clearing sky, though, Friday night into Saturday, it does get cold. We're down into the teens for most areas. By Saturday afternoon, nice recovery, especially with some early sunshine. We're talking mid-40s. Cloud cover comes back on Sunday, especially in the morning. We're in the upper 20s, but we'll still make it in the mid to upper 40s by the time we get to the afternoon hours. Let's look early on Sunday. Lots of cloud cover, 7 a.m. We go through the day. There may be a sprinkle or two, but really there's very limited moisture in the atmosphere. So through Sunday afternoon, looks like we stay pretty quiet. The question is later Sunday night into Monday, the amount of moisture coming in. There doesn't appear to be a lot, but there will be some areas, the way it's looking, that could be below freezing, especially north of Knoxville, up near the Kentucky-Tennessee border. So with that, maybe a light mix for some overnight into early Monday. Doesn't look too concerning at this point. We will keep an eye on it, but we do see a nice thaw next week. Low to mid 50s for highs Tuesday through Thursday, and eventually some overnight lows that are not below freezing, which is going to be nice. Only some upper 30s by the time we get to next week, with rain showers more likely by Thursday.